Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple sound effects on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, of course, we have to open our TikTok application and I'm going to create a new post on TikTok. We can click on this plus button and I'm going to upload a photo from my gallery. I'm going to upload this one and then we can go to the edit section. Click on this edit button and then here you will be able to add multiple sound effect to your post. Go to the sound and then select the sound effect and choose the sound effect you want to add to your post. I'm just going to select this one for example, and if you want to add more sound effect you can go to the sound again and select sound effect, and I'm going to select this one. Okay, you can also add music to your post. Go to sound and then select add sound, and you can choose the music that you like. I'm just going to select this one. Okay, and this is the result, and you just need to click on next to post your video or photo to your TikTok. Alright guys, and that's how we can add multiple sound on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.